In this video, we'll be reviewing the new allocation of radios and the subsequent change to our current use model. So we've had one change to our radio allocation where we've eliminated the extra portable radio on all of our apparatus. We had that portable radio in there because our previous radios were prone to failure so much. These new radios, based on the experience of our neighboring partners that have run these, they have not had any issues. So we've eliminated the one extra one. We've added a mobile radio, so all engines and trucks now will have 2 mobile radios, one of them being a BK. Our engines will then have 4 portable radios, 2 for the captain and 1 for each the rider and the driver. Along with that, we're giving an extra battery for each one of those radios with a total of 8 batteries. The trucks, 2 mobile radios, 1 being a BK, and they'll have 5 portable radios, 2 for the captain and 1 for the other 3. They will then have 10 Motorola batteries as well to support having a charged battery at all times. In the station, we'll have 1 multi-unit charger, a 6-bank charger that has additional software in it that takes care of the batteries based on what the battery's internal software is telling it. We'll discuss that in another video. For our BC vehicles, we're standardizing across the board what they're going to have. They will both have 3 mobile radios. One of them will have access to the PD band, and one of them will be a BK. BC vehicles will have 5 portable radios, 1 of them being a BK, and 8 Motorola batteries. Again, 1 extra battery per each radio. Engine 104 and 101 are a little different. 104 and 101 will have chargers for BK portables installed in them. That's due to the fact that engine 104 and 101 are our out-of-county rigs. No BK portables will be stored in there, but we'll have that ability if they go out of county to place the BK radios in those chargers. USAR 102, Engine 504, Engine 677, and UAV-1, the drone van, will also be outfitted with 2 mobile radios, 1 being a BK, Motorola portables, and then specific radio kits with BK clamshells. We'll discuss radio kits again in a future video. One of the major changes that we've done with our radio allocation is we've equipped every engine and truck with a second mobile radio. Our Motorola radio will operate just the same as our previous radio has. It's fed into our headsets, and we use the push-to-talk button mounted on the cowling, just as always. The change will be with the BK radio. That BK radio will not be fed into our headsets, but rather into a speaker in the cab for us to hear through our headsets. Additionally, to transmit on that BK radio, you need to pick up the palm mic and utilize that for all transmissions that you want done on the BK radio. The reason that we updated the allocation to include 2 mobile radios is so that we can monitor both the command channel and the assigned TAC channel for that incident. Be aware that when we arrive on an incident, we need to announce our arrival on the TAC channel, not command. We have a use model that we're recommending, but again, this is left up to officers' discretion. We are recommending that you keep the command channel on your Motorola radio into your headset so that you can hear the size up and any pertinent information from dispatch while responding. We then recommend having your BK mobile on the TAC channel so that you can pick up any on-scene communications while you're responding to more easily help us assimilate into the operations going and increase our situational awareness while responding. Be aware though, you need to announce yourself on TAC channel when you do arrive, and that has to be done either through the speaker mic if you're utilizing our use model that we've talked about here with the BK mobile on the TAC channel. The other reason that we think this is a good use model is that the BK will be tied to the pump panel speaker. This is not a utilized function often with our engineers, but we have a speaker on the pump panel that will be tuned to the BK mobile if they want to listen to TAC channel traffic on that as opposed to their portable radio. Well, this concludes our review of the new radio allocation and the subsequent changes to our use model. In our next video, we'll be reviewing the charging, maintenance, channels, and programming of our new radio systems.